Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing, assembly, and overview of the Prolux X8 Pro backpack vacuum cleaner. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started. Go ahead and get yourself a cutting utensil. Just be careful that you don't hurt yourself. Alright, once you got the box open, you're going to have a brown box on top. That brown box will have all the attachments. You're going to have the 1.5" hose, packed bags, and then you'll have the actual vacuum in here. So there we go, and then inside the brown box you'll have the extension cord, the attachments, and the wand. So let's go ahead and cut that box open real quick. Alright, so let's get this box open. Okay, so what do we got here? We got the 50-foot yellow extension cord, duster brush, mini turbo, squeegee floor tool, crevice tool, multi-surface floor tool, upholstery tool, owner's manual, and then the wands. So I'm going to get everything out of its packaging and then we'll go over how to assemble the X8, and then after that I'll give you guys a brief rundown of the specs of the vacuum, how to use attachments, how to use the wand, etc, etc. So see you in a minute. Alright, so let's assemble the X8 Pro. You're going to want to locate the 90-degree elbow piece on the hose and insert that into the top lid opening right here. Push it in, give it a tug, make sure it's not coming out. Next you're going to want to take the opposite end and grab the curved wand, and where it curves there's going to be this end with like a little, like a nub, like a part that's raised on the actual wand. You're going to want to push that into the hose end. You want to push it in there pretty deep. And just make sure you get a nice tug, make sure it's not coming out. And then on the wand you're going to have this clamp. Open that up. Grab the straight wand portion. Slide it in. And you can clamp it down. If the clamp is loose, what you're going to want to do is find this knob right here and just tighten it. And just like that, the wand's not going to fall out or fall into the lower wand. And then from there, grab one of the tools with the neck pivot and just slide it on. And that's pretty much how you assemble the X8. Pretty easy, just a couple of parts to put together. Now that we got the vacuum pretty much assembled, we're going to go over the features of everything. I'm going to give you guys some specs about the vacuum, how to use the tools, and then that'll pretty much be it. So let's get started on that. Alright, so let's quickly go over everything. We're going to talk about specs, we're going to talk about features, talk about how the tools can be used for a bunch of different things. We'll start with the backpack vacuum, since this is why you buy this product. So this thing has 140 CFM, but that is directly from the motor, and that is just standard vacuum testing procedure. But from the hose port, which is still pretty good, it's 120, so great suction power. It's got aluminum latches on the side for the top lid. And once you take the top lid off, you're going to have a HEPA bag. To replace this bag, just pull down from the underside, and then you can just slide the bag out. And then on the bag there has an arrow facing, so you want to make sure the arrow is facing towards the bag holder. Press it in, close it, you just replaced your bag. Also has a inner cloth bag, and then inside the vacuum cleaner itself you're going to have a HEPA filter, and then to replace the HEPA filter it's just two tabs sticking up, pop it into place. And then on front of the vacuum you're going to have a post motor filter. Take this cover off and it's going to be a charcoal filter. So you get 4 stages of filtration with this vacuum. The bag capacity is 3 liters. The decibel ratings comes in at 80 decibels. You have 1 motor speed, and the control type, so how you turn the motor on, is this manual switch on the side. A weight, 10 pounds, so it's not going to put any stress or weight on your shoulders and back, so it's very lightweight and comfortable. Let's talk about the warranty. The motor itself has a lifetime warranty, so as long as you have this vacuum, if you have any motor issues, get in touch with us and we'll get you taken care of. As for the body component itself, you have 3 years, but still we stand behind our product. So say 3 years, 6 months down the line, your top lid breaks, your straps fall apart, etc. Email us with your order number, give us a brief description of what's going on, and we can either get you replacement parts by cost, or we'll have you just cover the shipping charges. It all depends on how old your order is, but we'll get you taken care of no matter what it is. The side of the vacuum, you have cord hooks, so you can wrap your cord around it, keep everything organized. You have the power cord coming off the back, which can be plugged into the 50-foot extension cord. On the harness, you have onboard tool storage. So as you can see, there's loops. You can just slide an attachment in there, keep everything on you at all times while you get the job done. And then on the other side, you have this nice little pouch. So you can put a 12-ounce soda can in there, you can put some chips and candy, put a tool in there, whatever you want to put in there, it's there for you. The cleaning range, so how far you can clean, 50 feet plus, since you have that 50-foot extension cord. You got a 6-foot hose, and then you have a telescopic wand. You can clean quite a bit of area while you got everything hooked up. Moving on to the hose and attachments, this is going to be a commercial version, hence why it's called Pro, because you're a professional. You're going to have an 1.5-inch hose, so it's going to pick up larger debris, and it's not going to get clogged as easily. Whereas the light and the elite version, they're going to have an 1.25-inch hose attachments and wand. Then we got the telescopic wand, very similar to our 2.0. You got the lower curved portion, which goes into the hose, and then you have the upper wand, which you can extend to a variety of lengths. Then you have this clamp to tighten everything down. Also, you can attach tools to it, and these tools are going to use friction fit. They're not going to be button locks like the Elite and the Light, but to put these on, give it a nice twist to make sure they're securely locked onto the wand. Take it off, just twist it off. Alright, let's talk about the tools. Honorable mention, 50-foot extension cord, it's just an extension cord. Okay, so we'll talk about the multi-surface floor tool. You can use this on pretty much any floor surface. We get complaints about this, which it's not really a complaint. I think people are just unaware. They believe that this plastic bottom is going to scratch their hardwood floors. Throughout all my video making and testing with this type of tool, I've never encountered anything, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. But if you are worried and you want to be cautious, then I would go with the squeegee tool. Don't get squeegee mixed up with water pickup. I would not use this vacuum at all to pick up any liquids. You're going to burn that motor out. But this squeegee tool has horsehair bristles that go all the way around. You got wheels on the side for easy rolling. And then we do have a squeegee attachment, and this is just going to not allow dirt and debris to get past the floor tool. So to switch that out, you want to locate the bottom bristle or whatever orientation you have this in, and you just need to pull it out. Sometimes it is tough and you can't use your hand. If you get a flathead screwdriver, get between the floor tool and the bristle part, you can pop it out and then pop this into place. These tools, you can use it on pretty much anything. Most of the time people use this on low pile carpet, since that's what they mostly use professional and commercial vacuum stores for, like offices, that type of scenario. You can also use this on concrete, Use this outside, it's very durable. You can also use this for anything. I wouldn't use this on carpet because this is going to get stuck on the carpet fibers and you have to put a lot of force into moving it, but this is really great for any hard floor surface. Upholstery tool, you know what it is. You can use it on upholstery, so couches, chairs, your mattress. You can use it on your car interior. The bristle part slides off, so if you want more suction, take this off. You can pick up anything with this tool. Just standard tools, pretty sure you're familiar with it. Crevice tool, hard to reach places, couch cushions, baseboards. Do it on the ceiling, you can use it on air vents. Duster brush, same thing, you can use it on ceilings, you can use air vents. Fans, get all the dust off fan, you can use it to dust furniture, tables, coffee tables, you get the idea. Mini turbo, this is an air driven tool, so what happens is the vacuum suction is going to spin the brush roll. This is just like the upholstery tool, but on steroids, you can say. This is really great for pet hair, especially with these rubber bristles right here. It just picks the brush, or it picks up the pet hair, and then the suction will suck it through the tool into the bag. You can use this on stairs, upholstery, so couches, chairs. It's great for mattresses if you want to give your mattress a deep cleaning. Office chairs works great too. So pretty much all these tools, they can do anything. It's just whatever you want to clean, we got the tool for it. Last thing I'll cover is the straps. Pretty plush, comfortable straps. You can adjust them to pretty much any body type. To put it on, it's just like a backpack. Kind of feel like a Ghostbuster wearing it, except instead of sucking up ghosts, you're sucking up dirt and debris. It's pretty loose on me, so just grab the slack on the strap. Pull it so it fits comfortable, and then you have the waistband strap, and then again, a bunch of extra slack. And it's a great fit, very comfortable. I could wear this to sleep. I wouldn't even know it's on my back. But that's pretty much it for the Pro model. It's very similar to the light model, except the attachments are going to be more commercial grade, hence why they're 1.5 inches to pick up larger dirt and debris. If you guys have any comments, want any more information on this, you can visit our website. You can email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. You can leave a comment down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you, whether it's comments or emails. I do it all. If you guys have any questions, let us know. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys like the backpack if you pick one up. I'm Kyle with Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.